Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is shellless crab fry. This is very simple to cook but tastes so good, so do give it a try. First let us boil the crabs. I am going to use 2 crabs for this. Crabs usually cook within 15 minutes, so I am going to give 15 minutes time for this. The crabs are ready. I am going to break open the shell and collect the flesh. This won't be a hard job, just hit it with a hard object. Once you remove the outer shell, the flesh will come out quickly. You can use a knife or a spoon to collect the flesh. That will be very easy for you. If you find any small shells in this, remove that also. Next, we'll start preparing the masala. Pour some oil in a pan. To this, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After sauteing the ginger garlic paste, add 1/4 cup of onion chopped. The onions are ready. Next, let us add 1 small tomato. After sauteing the tomatoes, we are going to add the masalas. This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give a nice saute. We have to saute the masala as well, so if you want oil, you can add it. Next, let us add required amount of salt and few coriander leaves. Now it's time to add the crab flesh. Give a nice mix. Our crab masala is ready. So the masala part is over. Next is the frying part. Take a pan, pour some oil in it and spread it. We are going to use a boiled crab shell. I am going to fill the masala in this. Fill the masala as tight as possible. This is ready. Keep the masala part on the pan and we are going to cook this in low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Our crab fry is ready. You can take it out now. This will be a divine recipe for seafood lovers. Do give it a try. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.